Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make donut sauce. First, gather your ingredients, which typically include powdered sugar, milk, and your chosen flavorings. Make sure you have a clean bowl and a whisk or spoon ready. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This simple preparation ensures a perfect start to your delicious sauce. Now, let's create the base glaze. In your bowl, combine 2 cups of powdered sugar with 3 tablespoons of milk. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps. If the glaze is too thick, add a tiny bit more milk. If it's too thin, add a little more powdered sugar until it reaches your desired consistency. This is where you can get creative with your flavors. For a classic taste, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you prefer chocolate, add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. For a tangy twist, mix in 2 tablespoons of fruit juice, like orange or lemon. Experiment with different extracts or spices to find your favorite combination. To finish, gently dip your warm donuts into the freshly made sauce, ensuring they are evenly coated. Place them on a wire rack and allow the glaze to set for about 15 minutes before serving. This ensures a beautiful, firm coating. For more great tips and deals, including a link to some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check the description below this video. Enjoy your delicious homemade donuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.